Alright guys, so check out, so we have a surprise package here by DreamWorks for the all-new Kung Fu Panda movie. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what they sent us. Some goodies for your next adventure. Whoa! So we have, it's like a tote bag. And then what do we got here? Check out that backpack. So we got all the characters on here.
I want to go for this.
Ooh, we got pencils. So this is like an activity thing.
Look out it.
And then you can color it. Okay, we have 3 shirts. That's pretty cool. It's actually got like a texture to it. I think we have a lunchbox. That is cool. Look at that. Thumbs up.
Yay.
It's a layered lunchbox.
Now I can take it to school.
Yeah, let's see how it looks. There's another layer here, and these are little caps, I believe, right? Yep, just like that. Stickers. Let's take a look. We got some temporary tattoos. AirPod case, interesting. Then we have ourselves a magnet. That's kind of cool. So you